Hi, this is Dr. Becker, and I am here to talk to you about the Lecture Notes page in our Canvas site. This is the page where you can access all the PowerPoint lecture notes for General Chemistry 1. As you can see at the bottom of the page, the lecture notes are labeled by chapter. To access the chapter lecture notes, just click on the chapter link and a PDF of the lecture notes will open. The lecture notes include numerous examples and answers that have been written out step by step. When I was designing this page, I envisioned students reading through the lecture notes and trying all the examples. After students have completed an example, they should check their answers with the key, which is always on the next slide. Make sure to contact me or a tutor if any issues arise. If you are printing the lecture notes, I strongly suggest printing in black and white and considering printing 2 to 3 slides a page. This should cut down on the costs significantly. I hope that you use the lecture notes as a study tool, and as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.